a tiger. Tiger came. Baby, baby, body. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 2, 4. Mommy, I get the truck. Mommy, get the truck. Mommy, get the truck.
What do you say?
Please answer.
You're welcome.
And then it's Jax. Mommy, it's Jax.
What's Jax? This is Jack's chair?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
And mommy sits.
I am sitting.
Mama, try it.
What?
Try it.
Well, I'm sitting.
Hey, Jax.
Is this Jax?
Jack's chair.
Are you going to sit in Jack's chair?
Yeah.
You can do that. You know why?
Uh-oh.
Because you're Jack. What's up?
Oh.
What's wrong?